This is Hog Country, life on the Appalachian Trail. Well, good morning. This is Hog Country, and we just got up, and we're heading up the trail. And we were at Derrick Knob Shelter, and we're heading to Siler. I believe it's Siler Shelter. It's before the Bald. Siler. But anyway, I think it's about 10 miles away ish. And it's a nice, crisp, beautiful morning. I think it's actually in the 40s. So that's great. And I don't think the climbs are going to be as bad today, hopefully. At least that's what my tour guide says, so we'll see. But anyway, it's a beautiful morning, and I'll check back in as we reach some of the viewpoints. Okay, this is Siler Bald Shelter. I said it was where we were ending, but I was mistaken. This is just where we're going to grab something to eat. Maybe water, get some water. And just take the weight off for a little bit. So anyway, we're going to the next shelter. This is just a stopping point just to have a little lunch. And looks like this shelter looks very similar to all the rest. Let me see if there's anybody in here. If there's not, then I'll do some more videoing, but I'm not certain what we got. Well, we are moving right along. Again, this is a 10-mile day. It's been, it's not, I mean, there's climbs. It's not easy, but it wasn't as bad as the first 2 days, that's for sure. We had it pretty nice as far as weather is concerned. And we're heading up to Siler Bald, and we don't have far. I guess there's a scenic spot, and then after that we should hit our 200-mile mark. Not counting the approach trail, but anyway, we're close to that 200-miler. Should be there before you know it, but it's not been terrible. The climbing up to Siler Shelter was a nice little climb, but overall it has not been as bad as the first 2 days. So we got 3 miles, and we will be at our stopping point, another shelter. Another beautiful day on the Appalachian Trail. Now tomorrow they say we're going to get rain. In fact, I think it's supposed to start in the morning. There's about a 70% chance, so we'll see. Our thought is that we would try to make it on into Newfound Gap tomorrow, which is about a 12-13 mile day, but we'll just see. Maybe not. Now that also means Clingmans Dome will not have great views probably if the rain sets in. But Anyway, well, I'm going to check out and try to get down this trail. We're doing fine. I mean, it's just afternoon. And like I said, we only got 3 miles to go, so we're doing fine. We'll get in and eat and get settled in before dark. That'd be nice. It's always nice. But anyway, I'm going to get on down the trail. Looks like we've made it to Double Spring Gap Shelter. It's really pretty through here. We just passed our mile marker 200, meaning we have hiked 200 plus the approach trail. And that's a big milestone. Means we got less than 2,000 miles to go. Anyway, we're headed down to the shelter. We know there's people down there, so we will shut down before I get to it, but I'm sure it looks just like the other shelters I've showed you each day going through the Smokies. But we'll see if we can get some pictures, but I'm sure it's going to be the same. But anyway, I'm going to sign out, and we'll sign back in tomorrow unless there's something of value that I can get pictures of.